Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Greer. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon in Cleveland, Ohio. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about BBL treatments in general and the BBL Hero specifically. I'm on my day off today, so I don't have any makeup on, my hair's up in a bun, and I debated about putting on some makeup to look professional, but the fact that I don't have makeup on actually highlights the benefits of regular BBL treatments. BBL stands for broadband light. It's also known as IPL or intense pulse light. And with BBL treatments, we use several different filters to pull out sun damage, lighten redness, and erase those little spider veins. The treatments also build collagen, so it helps prevent fine lines and wrinkles. I try to get a treatment a couple of times a year, and you can see my skin is very clear. There's really minimal sun damage. And I'm outside all summer working in the garden and at the pool with the kids. You can also do treatments with the BBL over the body area. So I treated my chest very recently, and you can see how clear it is with very minimal sun damage. Just for reference, I'm 40. I do get regular Botox, and I of course do use good medical grade skincare, but the BBL treatments have been instrumental in keeping my skin looking young, especially on my arms. I rode horses as a kid, and I had a ton of sun damage on my arms. As soon as I had access to laser treatments, I started lasering my arms a couple of times a year, and it has really kept my skin looking young. Now, we've offered traditional BBL treatments in our office under the name Forever Young BBL for the face. And with that, there's a couple extra passes for spider veins. We also will laser the sun damage on arms and chest and legs, but until recently, it was very time intensive, but because we used what was called a stamping technique. And I've done this to myself many times. You put the applicator on, flash of heat, move it, flash of heat. It's very laborious, it's very time intensive, and it's not super comfortable. So I would always have to kind of steel myself up to do the treatments on my arms each fall and spring. What I'm really excited to talk to you about today is that we've upgraded the technology on our BBL. It's now called the BBL Hero, and Hero actually stands for something. It stands for High Energy Rapid Output. With laser treatments, it's all about the energy delivery. You need the right type of energy at the right wavelength, delivered in the right amount of time, as comfortably as possible. And with the Hero, we can deliver more energy more quickly because there's special technology that allows the energy to be delivered more quickly, and the best cooling technology on the market to keep the skin cool so that you're comfortable. Because of the way the energy is delivered, it's actually more comfortable than our traditional BBL treatments, and it's much, much faster because it uses a motion technology. If you've ever gotten laser hair treatment with us and then switched to the ForeverBear BBL recently, over the past couple of years, then you'll know what I'm talking about. Because again, instead of using that stamping technique, now the applicator just moves back and forth. So it's a gradual application of the energy. It's much more comfortable and much quicker. And now we can do that with the BBL technology to remove sun damage. My nurse practitioner, Chelsea, and I were training on this, and we were able to, in just like an hour and a half total, treat each other's faces, backs, chests. I even did my arms. And the cool thing is with the motion technology, we just do several passes to deliver the energy. And instead of feeling really hot, it just feels like kind of a mild prickling sensation. So we can get you better results in less time with less discomfort. With this type of energy delivery, there's also a better result in terms of building collagen. And if you've talked to me about anti-aging at all, you will know that the Forever Young BBL is my go-to treatment for maintenance and preventative maintenance. If you basically have skin, I recommend get a Forever Young BBL a couple of times a year, because over time that's going to build collagen. There was a longitudinal study at Stanford in which the participants actually looked younger at the end of 10 years of regular BBL treatments than at the start. And when you look at the photos, it's remarkable. Like, fine lines have faded. Not only have they not gotten deeper, they've actually regressed in terms of how old they look. And with the Hero, it's an even better platform for that energy delivery. And we've seen better improvements in skin texture and tone. So it's an awesome treatment. I'm very excited to offer it. We've never really promoted our BBL treatments on the body just because they're so time intensive. And because of that, they were fairly expensive. We were charging $900 just to treat your arms. But now with the Hero technology, we can treat things much more quickly. So we can treat the neck, the chest, the back, the full arm, even lower legs or upper legs. And any body area is only $600 compared to what we were charging. On the face, the treatment protocol is a little bit different than what we were doing before. We'll do some extra passes at the end for more energy delivery, for more of that skin tightening effect and to build collagen. So that treatment is now going to be known as the Forever Young BBL Hero. And then we're gonna have the Body Hero. So those are the two treatments we're offering. Our Forever Young BBL was traditionally priced at $450 per treatment, or a package of 3 for $1,200. We are gonna continue that as a special pricing just until January. So you will get the new improved treatment at that same price until January 1st. We are also offering some amazing promotions on the Body Hero. You can save $100 off your first area, $250 off 2 areas, and $400 off 3 areas. So you can really get rid of a lot of sun damage. You know, if you have the age spots in your hands and arms, in your chest, in your neck, now is a wonderful time to treat them. It's also gonna make your skin look more toned, improve the texture, and help smooth fine lines. This is the perfect time of year to do it. We're just getting in toward fall now that it's September, because you do need to have been out of the sun for a few weeks. If you have a little bit of residual color, that's okay, as long as you haven't gotten an active tan in about the last 3 to 4 weeks. The other great thing about these treatments is there's no downtime. You'll feel a little bit sunburned, dark spots will get darker in the short term. Now on the face, that's gonna flake off in just a few days, and you can wear makeup over it. On the arms, you may see almost like coffee ground appearance, and that will flake off after a few weeks. So it does take a little bit of time. But in the meantime, you can do all your regular activities like working out, swimming, etc. If you have questions about the Forever Young BBL Hero or the Body Hero, leave them in the comments or email us at info@greerplastics.com. We would love to help you out, because preventative maintenance is totally the way to go when it comes to preventing the signs of aging. Have a great day.